Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus. In this video, we are going to see vector calculus in engineering mathematics. We are going to solve some important or frequently asked questions in the vector calculus area. Okay, it will be helpful for the upcoming exams like TNEB and TRB exam. Okay. So first problem, if r equal to xi plus yj plus zk and r is equal to modulus r vector, then del r is equal to, we are going to find out del r equal to. So we'll see del r. What is del r? Is nothing but gradient r. Already we have solved many problems. What is gradient, what is curl, what is solenoidal, what is the rotational, and all that. We have given introduction about engineering vector calculus and solved many problems. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Okay. So what is del? Actually I into dou by dou x, j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into r. R is nothing but the given xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. So what is that? I into next we are going to del r. So dou r by dou x. So or we can simply say it is as I. Okay. I into, sorry, or we can simply it is r into r. Del r is nothing but I into, del is nothing but I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into r. What we will get? I into dou r by dou x plus j into dou r by dou y plus k into dou r by dou z. What is actually dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, dou r by dou z? We'll see. So what is given? R is equal to, vector r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So modulus r is nothing but taking modulus r vector is nothing but simply r. So it is x square plus y square plus z squared. So what is r squared? R squared equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So when we differentiating with respect to x in this equation, what we will get? 2r dou r by dou x into 2x. Okay, differentiating with respect to x. Okay, so these are with respect to y, so it will get 0. So 2 get cancelled. So what is dou r by dou x? Dou r by dou x equal to x by r. Similarly, with respect to y, we will get dou r by dou y. When we doing that, dou r by 2r dou r by dou y into 2y, cancel this, we will get dou r by dou y equal to y by r and dou r by dou z into equal to z by r. Just substitute this value here. Del r, this del r. Okay, here dou r by dou x, what we will get? Dou r by dou x, x by r, right? So del r equal to x by r into I vector plus y by r into z j vector plus z by r into k vector. So by taking 1 by r outside, so taking LCM, what we will get in the denominator or in numerator? Xi plus yj plus zk is nothing but which one? Xi plus yj plus zk, r vector, right? So r vector divided by r. So what is r vector divided by r? It is nothing but r cap. Okay, unit normal. R cap is nothing but r vector divided by r. So del r is equal to r cap. So option 2, r cap, is the right answer. Then we'll move on to the next problem. So if r equal to xi plus yj plus zk and r vector equal to r, then del cross r power n into r vector is equal to. So this is a formula, okay, for anything in general. Del cross f of r into r vector is nothing but 0. This is a standard formula. So what is f of r? In place of f of r, here r plus 1. So obviously del cross r power n into r vector is equal to 0 only. This is a proven formula. So option 1, 0 is the right option. Okay. What is the greatest rate of increase of phi equal to xyz squared at 1, 0, 3? We are going to find out the greatest rate of increase. So what is actually a greatest rate of increase is nothing but modulus del phi. Greatest rate of increase is nothing but modulus del phi. So we are going to find out the modulus del phi value. Phi value given, what is phi? xyz squared. So del phi is nothing but I into dou by dou x. What is del? J into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into phi. Phi is nothing but xyz squared. So xyz squared. In place of phi we can substitute xyz squared. Just differentiate. What we will get? I into dou by dou x of this is yz squared plus j into xz squared plus k into 2xy. Okay, del phi. Del phi at the given point 1, 0, 3 x, y, z. Okay, so just substitute, the given point is given, right? So del phi is then just substitute x, y, z this value. Okay, so y equal to 0. So the obviously we will get as 0 here. Then x into z squared. Z squared is nothing but, so j into this term will get 0 only. Also this term also, when we substituting y as 0 we will get 0 only. So for this term only we will get the magnitude. So j into x into z squared. Z squared is 9. So 9j. So del phi at this point is 9 phi. What actually we need to find out? Modulus del phi. Just taking modulus del phi is nothing but modulus 9 squared. Okay. Obviously modulus del phi equal to 9. So the greatest rate of increase is nothing but del phi, modulus del phi is equal to 9. So next, del of r is equal to what? We are going to find out what is del of r. So see, the same thing, del r given, r vector is given, r is also given, del r, the same thing. So option is given as r vector divided by r here. See, when we solving we are getting r vector divided by r. By seeing here option is given as r cap. So r vector by r is nothing but r cap only. So when we solving the same problem here, del of r is nothing but r. When we solving, kindly refer to the problem solved in above. Okay, r vector divided by r. By seeing option 2 is the right option. Okay. When we moving to the next problem, if f is equal to some vector value is given and it is solenoidal, then the value of a. So actually what is solenoidal? Solenoidal condition, to meet solenoidal, divergence of that f vector is equal to 0. So del dot f equal to 0. So find out del dot f and then equate to 0, we can find out the a value. Okay. So del is nothing but, we know that I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into z plus 3y into I plus x minus 2z into j plus x plus az into k equal to 0. Okay. So dou by dou x, I dot I. So dou by dou x of this value, dou by dou x of z plus 3y. Then j dot j, dou by dou y of this x minus 2z. Then k dot k, dou by dou z of x plus az equal to 0. So when we differentiating dou by dou x, there is no x term, so this part we will get 0. By differentiating no y term, this is also get cancelled. So z term, see, this will get 0. When we respect to z, what we will get? Dou by dou z of this one we will get a, right? A. So a is, which is right answer, what is in the right answer? A equal to 0. So what is the value of a? Equal to 0. Option 1 is the right option. Moving to the another problem, gradient of 1 by 4. 1 by, sorry. We'll solve this, then we'll go to that problem. Okay. So what we can see, if f vector is given and it is given irrotational, then the value of a. Previously what we have find out, if it is solenoidal, what is the value of a. Similarly, if it is irrotational means del cross curl of f, the given vector equal to 0. So now we are going to find out the curl of the given vector, then equate to 0, then we will find out the value for a. So del cross f, usual IJK method, right? I, J, K, then dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Okay. Then AXY minus z squared, x squared plus 2yz, y squared minus AXZ equal to, sorry, is equal to 0. Then IJK dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by AXY minus z square, x square plus 2yz into y square minus AXZ equal to 0. Now what we are going to do, just expand the term. So I into dou by dou y of this term. Okay, dou by dou y by differentiating and will write from here. Dou by dou y we will get 2y na, then minus sign. Then dou by dou z, what we will get, already one minus sign. Dou by dou z, what we will get, plus 2z, right? Minus 2z, minus sign, we will get plus 2z. Okay, then minus j. Minus j means expand. Dou by dou x of this we will get minus az. Okay. This one. Minus a is, yes, minus a is that na. Then this one with respect to z, so minus 2z. Right? Plus k into this one. Dou by dou x of this 2x. Then these are will get cancelled. Then 2y plus ay minus ay. I will just check the minus sign here. Minus az minus sign plus 2z, right? Then k vector into 2x minus az. So we can say anything equate to 0. What we need to find out, a value now. So equate that term equal to, we can consider this as 0i plus 0j plus 0k. Okay, 0k vector. Equate any term equal to 0. Take this term minus az plus 2z equal to 0. What we will get, minus az minus 2z. Okay. Then minus get cancelled. What is a? A is nothing but 2. A value equal to 2. We can equate this also. 2x like. So it will get cancelled. So it will be equating j term with 0. A equal to 2. Option 2 is the right option. Then we'll move on to find the unit normal to the surface x square plus y square minus z minus 10 at 1 comma 1 comma 1. So what is unit normal? What is the formula to find out unit normal is nothing but del phi divided by modulus del phi. So take this given value as phi. X squared plus y squared minus z minus 10. So it is a phi value. Then what is the next step to find out the del phi value? I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into x squared plus y squared minus z minus 10. So when we taking, what we will get? Dou by dou x of this whole term. So 2x I. Then dou by dou y of the whole term we will get 2yj. Then dou by dou z of the whole term we will get minus k. Right? So del phi value. Next we are going to find out del phi at the given point 1, 1, 1. Del phi at 1, 1, x, y, z value is 1. Just substitute x, y value 2i plus 2j minus k. So then find out this is del phi value. Then we need to find out modulus del phi. So modulus del phi is nothing but 2 squared 4 plus 1. So on 9 we will get 3. Modulus del phi as 3. So what is a unit normal? Del phi divided by modulus del phi. What is a del phi here? 2i plus 2j minus k divided by this modulus del phi. So 3. So 2i, this is the answer. 2i plus 2j minus k divided by 3. Option 2 is the right option. Then in what direction from the given point 3, 1, minus 2 is the directional derivative of phi equal to x squared y squared plus z power 4 is maximum. So to find out what is the procedure is nothing but we are going to find out maximum directional derivative from the given point. So we'll see. So given value is 5. Next what is we are going to find out del phi maximum directional derivative from the given point. Del phi at 3, 1, minus 2 at this point. Okay, this is we need to find out. So first del phi value. Del phi value we know I into del value dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into phi x square plus y square plus z power 4. So dou by dou x of this whole term what we will get ma? 2x y squared z power 4 into I. Then 2x squared y z power 4 into j plus 4x squared y squared z cube into k. Del phi at the given point 3, this is del phi. Given point means x, y, z. Substitute next what is, so this is the del phi value. Then substitute x, y, z value. Then find out the del phi maximum directional derivative. So we are going to find out this del phi maximum directional derivative at the given point 3, 1, minus 2. So what is that? 2 into 3 into y square means 1. Then z power 4 minus 2 power 4 we will get 16 into I vector plus 2 into this one. X square means 9, right? Then y equal to 1. Then z power 4 again minus 2 power 4 16 into j vector. Then plus k vector into this one 4 into x squared 9 y squared 1 z cube what value? Minus 2 cube minus 8, right? By simplifying we will get, so 16 32 40 48 16 into 3 48 48 into 2 96. So 96 I vector. Then this one 18 into 16 around plus 2 88, right? J, this is minus sign, don't forget minus which one? 36 into 8 we will get again 288 k. Okay, this is del phi maximum directional derivative at this point 96i plus 288j minus 288k. This one option 4. Okay, Then move on to the next one. R vector is given as xi plus yj plus zk, then divergence of R. So divergence of R is equal to del dot R. Same thing we need to find out. So what is I? Sorry, del I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into R vector xi plus yj plus zk. So I into I dot product. So dou x by dou x we will get 1 only. Then plus j into j, dou y by dou y plus 1. K into k, dou z by dou z of z. Okay, so dou z by 1 only. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So divergence of R is nothing but 3. Option 4 is the right option. Next we are going to find out the same R vector. We are going to find out curl R. Curl R means del cross R. Okay, what is the process? Del cross R is equal to IJK method. I, J, K, then dou by dou x, or this dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then R vector is xi plus yj plus zk. So x, y, z, right? So we are now the general common expansion I vector into dou z by dou y minus dou y by dou z, right? Then minus j into dou z by dou x. So with respect to x, this dou z by dou x minus dou x by dou z plus k into dou by dou x of y minus dou by dou y of x. Okay. So dou by with respect to x, obviously we will get 0 na. For this also 0 with respect to x means here z only. So we are getting 0 only for all this term. Okay. So all get cancelled. All we will get 0 only. See each and every term. So del cross R is equal to 0. Curl R. Nothing but curl R equal to 0. Option 1, 0 is the right option. Okay. Find the directional derivative of phi value given and the point given in the direction of one direction is given. So how to find out the directional derivative? What is the formula for directional derivative? In short, I will write it as d. Directional derivative is nothing but del phi dot a vector divided by modulus a vector. Okay, simple. So now we are going. So the given vector is nothing but a vector. From this we can find out del phi, do dot product and then take magnitude of this a vector, then find out. Okay. So first phi value is given, we are going to find out del phi value. I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into phi. Phi is nothing but x squared yz plus 4xz squared plus xyz. Okay. So dou by dou x of this whole term, what we will get? See here 2x yz, right? 2x yz, then here plus 4z squared plus yz into I. Then dou by dou y of this whole term, what we will get? X squared is z, this one. Okay, x squared is z. With respect to y, this is no term, so we can eliminate this. Then this is xy is z, right? Xy is z. Okay, xy is z, we will get x is z. Okay, into k vector. Then dou by dou z of what? Dou by dou z of this term, we will get x squared y plus 8 xz plus xy into k vector. This is j, this is k vector. Okay, 2xy plus 4z squared plus yz into I vector plus x squared z plus xz into j vector plus x squared y plus 8xz into xy into k vector. Then what is the next step? Del phi at the given point 1 2 3, del phi at 1 2 3, which means x y z, substitute this value here. Okay, in place of x y z substitute 1 2 3. So we'll solve one by one. Okay, 2 into 1 2 3 plus 4 into z squared is nothing but 9 plus yz equal to 6, okay, into I, then plus j into x squared is nothing but 1, z 3, 1 into 3 3 plus xz is 3 plus k into x squared y 2 plus 8xz, 8 into xz, 8 into 3 24, right, plus xy into 2, okay, 4 into 4 into sorry 4 12 plus 36 48 plus 54 I plus 9j, sorry 3 plus 3 6j plus 24 plus 4 28k. Okay, this is del phi value at this point, given point 1 2 3. So what is the directional derivative? Del phi dot a into a vector. So del phi dot a vector, this is a, what is a vector? We can do dot product, 2i plus j minus k, these and this, do dot product in the numerator, then magnitude of this in the denominator. So 54 into 2, what we will get? 54 into 2 around 108 plus 6 into 1 6 minus 28 divided by square root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 square root of 6. By simplifying we will get 108 114 around 86, right, 86 by square root of 6. So this is the directional derivative, 86 by square root of 6. Option 1 is the right option. Then if r equal to xi plus yj plus zk and r equal to r vector, then del r power 4 is okay. So we have solved previously, we have proved this is a standard formula, and we have solved this, how to we have solved this proof or theorem proof. If you are not watching these, kindly check with our previous videos. Okay, del r power r, this is a proven one, standard one. So del r power n is nothing but n r power n minus 2 into r vector. Similarly del r power 4. So what is 4 here? 4 into r into n minus 2. n minus 2 is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 squared. 4 r squared into r vector. So I am not going to solve now. Okay, this is a proven one. We have solved already. So del r power n equal to n r power n minus 2. So just substitute n value here. So 4 r squared into r vector. Option 2 is the right option. So the value of del cross r cube r is equal to what? So this is also a formula, del cross proven one, r power n into r vector is nothing but 0. Similarly r power n here is r cube, for any power of n we can get 0 only, or simply del of f of r into r vector, not regarding to r, f function of r into r vector we will get 0 only. So what is f of r here? R cube. So it is obviously 0. Option 1 is equal to 0. Then grade 1 by r. Grade 1 by r is nothing but What is that? Del 1 by r. Del 1 by r, how can we write? The numerator del r power minus n. We are going to find out. Previously, I have told not del r power n. What is that? Gradient of r n, r power n minus 2 into r vector. What is n here? Minus 1. So, minus 1 r power minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into r vector. So, minus r vector, this minus sign, then r vector divided by r cube. Sorry. Minus into r in numerator, minus r vector, r cube will go to the so minus r by r vector, sorry, minus r vector divided by r cube. Option 3 is the right option. Then find the directional derivative of phi equal to 3x square plus 2y minus 3z at 1, 1, 1 in the direction 2i plus 2j minus k. Okay. So, we are going to find out the direction. So, this is a phi value. So, directional derivative, what is the formula? We have solved previously one problem in this format, na, del phi dot a divided by modulus a vector. So, the given is a direction vector is nothing but a. From this we can find out del phi, then substitute this formula. So, first we will find out the del phi. What is del value? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou z plus k dou by, sorry, this is dou by dou y, this is dou by dou z into the phi value 3x squared plus 2y minus 3z. Okay. So, dou by dou x of this 6 x I vector plus j into 2y is nothing but 2j vector. 2y we will get 2 only, now 2j. Then minus 3z we will get minus 3k vector. So, this is del phi. So, now we are going to find out del phi at the given point. What is the point? 1, 1, 1. Nothing but x, y, z, substitute 1, 1. So, when we substituting 1, 1, 1, what we will get? 6i plus 2j minus 3k, right? Then do dot product with the given this one, because del phi dot a divided by modulus a, 2i plus 2j minus 2k. This is just do dot product. 12 plus 4 plus 3 divided by magnitude of this 4 plus 4 plus 1. So, 12 plus 4, what is 16? 16 plus 3, 19. In denominator, square root of 9, we will get 3. So, 19 by 3. So, answer is 19 by 3 is the right option. Then, if phi equal to log of this value, then del phi. We are going to find out the del phi value. Okay, phi value given. So, we will find out the del phi. Del phi is nothing but dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. Then log of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Okay. So, dou by dou x of this term, what we will get? Log of something, we are getting 1 by x, na? 1 by x squared plus y squared plus z squared into, in place of x, what is x squared? Again, by differentiating 2x. 2x into I. Similarly, 2y into j divided by the same thing, x square plus y square plus z squared, right? Then 2z into k vector divided by x square plus y square plus z squared. Okay. When we taking 2 outside, what we will get? 2xi plus yj plus zk divided by x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So, We know that x squared plus y squared plus z squared is nothing but x. What is xi plus yj plus zk? R vector. What is x squared plus y squared plus z squared is nothing but r squared. So del phi is equal to 2r vector divided by r squared. It is option 4 is the right option. Okay, we will end the video up to this. We have more problems to solve this in vector calculus. So kindly stay tuned to our channel Off Campus. And then click on the bell icon also, then only you will receive notification whenever we upload videos. Okay, thanks for watching.